And then I really want to express my thankfulness, thanks to Shell and the Point Yard people and the IT providers, and then most of all our project team. And we are actually only providing concepts and tools and procedures, but it's the very people who actually executed this AWP. We really respect those guys. I just share.
You did speak everything, so I honored very much to receive this award. And as Mick said, Mick and myself is one of the members of project supporting team. And I would really appreciate all the project stakeholders who have implemented properly AWP, including LNG Canada, client side, JGC, and module fabricator Quin, and AWP digital software provider mods. So thank you very much.